Hello, creative genius. Welcome back to Art Talks with Eric. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Eric Amoakwa-Boadu. I'm a visual artist who's so passionate about creativity and personal development. So today we're going to look at something that's so dear to my heart. It's really important to me. And we're going to look at the intersection of mindfulness and art together. And I know you'll like it. So, mindfulness is all about being fully present in the moment, experiencing life as it comes without judgment. And it's a practice that can bring you so much peace and clarity in our lives. But did you know that this same practice can also change or transform the way you create your art or create anything when you involve mindfulness in that activity? When we approach art mindfully, we immerse ourselves in the process rather than just focusing on the outcome. We pay attention to the feel of the brush in our hand, the texture on the paper, and the way colors blend together. And it's all about being in flow and letting go and being under any pressure to produce something that is so perfect. You know, as artists, we are always looking for something that is perfect. We are always looking for perfection. We want our finished product to look as nice as possible, as perfect as possible without any mistakes. But when it comes to mindful art or creating art with mindfulness, it's not about that. It's about just letting go and just flowing freely without any judgment of self or anybody else. That is the beauty of mindfulness in art. So let us create something practical. We're going to be very mindful this evening. Pick up your pens, pick up your pencils, pick up your brushes, any tool that you use to create. We are going to be practical and we are going to practice mindful art. So just take a very deep breath. And once you've done that, start by making marks on your paper or on your canvas or any material that you've got. Don't think too hard about what you're doing. Don't think too hard about what you're painting. Don't think too hard about what you're drawing. Just focus on the sensation of the pencil or brush on your paper or canvas. Notice the pressure, the sound that it makes as it glides. That is all. Once you see how it feels to create without any judgment, without any thoughtfulness about what you're creating, it's all about just letting go and flowing in the moment. This is what we call mindful art. So as a creative being, why is it so important to create with mindfulness? It's not about the perfection that you achieve. It's not about the beautiful finished product that you see, but it's about the process of going through creating something without any stress. It's about going through the process of feeling the materials that you're using, listening to your heartbeat so that it guides you in the creative process rather than focusing so much in a stressful manner on the finished product, trying to even please someone in the outcome of the things that you create. It's all about just letting go and letting God. So well done everyone for the works that you've created, whether on pencil, on canvas, on paper, whatever surface, whatever material that you've used, well done. So the piece that I just created is called Radiating from Within. So you radiate from within out. And as I was creating it, I wasn't really mindful of any topic or anything that I wanted this to turn out to be. But when I finished, I was like, okay, this can be a piece about the light that we've got within us and how we can let it shine to touch the rest of the world. So whatever talent you've got is your light. Letting it shine to the rest of the world is what this piece is all about. So yeah, that's a quick, nice example right there, where you don't set out with a finish in mind. You are not stressed about how it's going to take shape. You just flow. And that is what I just did right there, flowing. And I know that you also enjoyed the process creating your own piece. And incorporating mindfulness into my practice has been a game changer. There are pieces that from time to time I create without really caring about how the end would be. One of such pieces would be this particular abstract. I created it without necessarily thinking about how it's going to be. And I love it. I just continued being in the flow and I used shapes upon shapes upon shapes and ended up with this piece. And eventually became a form of meditation for myself, where I just let go of all those stresses and just enter into that zone of creativity without any judgment. And that is the beauty of creating with mindfulness. So today I'd like to invite you to try mindfulness, whether you are a practicing professional artist or you've just begun. Give mindful art a chance and just flow in that state and not think about the outcome. I mean, you are doing it for yourself and not for anyone else. So I do implore you to try mindful art. So creative genius, if you found this video very insightful and you benefited from it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as well for more videos on personal development and creativity, and invite all your friends to subscribe as well so that we can all grow together. Until we come your way with the next video, enjoy your day, keep creating and be the best. God bless you.